closer to 0 than it is to 1, so we round down to just plain 6. That is your answer, 6. Okay, now on to mental math. Mental math, I'll go ahead and read out these problems, and if you don't have time to write it down, just rewind the video. Okay, number 1. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Number 2. 1/3 is equal to how much percent? I don't know if I said that right, but 1/3 is what percent? Number 3. 3.5 plus 5.5. And remember, write these problems down before you solve them, so I'll give you time. 4. 7 squared minus 6.5. Number 5. 10 to the third times 5 squared. Number 6. 1,252 to the 0 power. Number 7. 3/5 divided by 6/5. Number 8. What is the product of 17 and 10? Number 9. 3 squared minus 2 to the third plus 30. And number 10, it's an equation. 42 is equal to 51 minus x. Solve for x. Okay, just pause the video here, give yourself 5 minutes, and I'll be back with you. And I'm back. Okay, so number 1, 1 kilometer. Kilo means 1,000, so 1,000 meters in a kilometer. You just got to know that. Number 2, 1/3 is, you just got to know this too, 33.3 repeating percent. Number 3, if you convert 3.5 to an improper fraction, then you get 7 halves plus 5.5 over 1, which you want to change your denominator 5.5 to over 2. So you got to multiply by 2. So you have the equation 7 halves plus 5.5 times 2 divided by 2, which you add that 11 plus 7, you get 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 9. 9 is your answer. Number 4, 7 squared is 49, minus 6.5 is 42.5. Number 5, 10 to the third. Okay, it's easy to do any multiple of 10. 10 is just an awesome number. This just means add 3 zeros onto a 1. Okay, so that equals 1,000. If I have 10 to the 8th, then I just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my answer. If I want 10 to the 8th, it's really easy. So 10 to the third, 1,000 times 5 squared is 25. 25 times 1,000. All you have to do, as I told you before, when you're multiplying by a multiple of 10, all you have to do is look at this place right here and multiply it by this number right here. So 25 times 1 is 25, and then add your zeros. Easy. So if you have 3,000 times 21, okay, look at this one, this front place, and you look at this number. 21 times 3 is 63. 63, and then you add 3 zeros. Okay, that's all you have to do for tens. And so your answer to that one is 25,000. Number 6, this is just something you have to know. Anything to the any number out there to the 0 power is equal to 1. Anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. I forgot why, but it just is, so write it down. Okay, number 7, as I talked to you before, reciprocals. Let me erase this. So reciprocals, let me see my board's right. Okay, so you have 3/5 divided by 6/5. I mean, you can either do it that way or you can do it this way. Doesn't really matter. in this case, you multiply by your reciprocal, so 3/5 times, switch these around, you get 5/6. Multiply across, you get 15/30, which reduces to 1/2. 1/2 is your answer. Or you could do it here. Both these denominators are 5, so it makes it easy. You multiply by 5 divided by 5. That gets rid of these 5, so 3 divided by 6 is equal to 1/2. Okay, so next one was product of 17 and 10. As I said before, when you multiply by any multiple of 10, even 10, you multiply the front place of the whatever is divisible by 10. For example, in 1,000, be 1. So multiply 1 times 17, which is 17. Add the 0 is 170. 170 is your answer. Number 9, 3 squared 9 minus 2 to the third 8 is equal to 1. Plus 30 is 31. Always do your exponents first, then you go around doing adding and subtracting. So lastly, number 10, solve for x. Gotta watch your signs. Okay, so 42 is equal to 51 minus x. I want to get x on one side, so we want to get rid of this 51. We're adding a 51, so we want to subtract by 51. So 42 minus 51, that cancels out to 0. So 42 minus 51. If you think of my trick, as I said before, I don't know if you recall, but if you're subtracting a number that's bigger than the other number, then all you have to do is find the difference between these numbers and then add on a negative. So if you think to get to 50 you add on 8, and then to get to 51 you add on 1 more, you get 9, and then make that negative, so it's negative 9. So negative 9 is equal to negative x. Don't forget that negative right there. That's a negative. So we have this, divide by negative 1, and we get x is equal to 9. That's your answer, x is equal to 9. Thank you, and this concludes Essentials Week 8.